So as we were saying that the second achievement toward the environment was the tiny balls of beeswax with hollow centers. So it can't be absorbed by water, but oil is absorbed right inside. So it only absorbs oil, not water. That's why it can take the oil out of the surface of the sea and the ocean before they are getting damaged. Okay, water purification is an important part of the space missions. Water is heavy to carry, so any water carried on board needs to be recycled multiple times. NASA engineers, in collaboration with the private companies, developed a water purification system. So, this is the third achievement. It's the water purification system. So from its name, it can purify water. طيب, how? For the astronomers living on the International Space Station, this system can turn wastewater from respiration, sweat, and urine into drinkable water. So any, any water that goes out of the human's body, like sweat or urine or anything, this system can purify this water to be drinkable again. It's also used to help people all over the world who lack clean water. So this is the second importance. I'm sorry I didn't highlight it. This is the second importance. It can help the people all over the world who lack clean water. The system can provide drinkable water from even badly polluted sources. So if you have a very dirty water, with this system, the water purification system, it can turn it into a drinkable water. Now, the fourth achievement of the for the environment is the rocket fuel. Did you know NASA excess rocket fuel can be used to destroy landmines? So this achievement here can use to destroy landmines. Instead of dumping this fuel as waste, NASA shares it with company that gets rid of the landmines. A device with a battery-operated electric match ignites solid rocket fuel placed on the mine. The fuel burns a hole in the mine's case and also burns up the explosive inside, so the mine is safely disarmed.